NVTS stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Navitas Semiconductor stock a buy? I'm about to be breaking this down in this very short, brief 1-minute video for next week. The biggest factor here is that I'm still bullish. But when I say I'm still bullish, that doesn't mean that I'm randomly buying. And matter of fact, all I'm just doing is just sticking to my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos. So, how is this looking like? Well, I'll tell one thing. I've been bullish here like 3 separate occasions. One was a win, 2 of them were break-evens, and that's totally fair. And with Navitas, it was nice, you know. I called it from 5 to like 7.5 2 months back. And unless I see like a proper double break confirmation here, I'm still not gonna look to buy. Like genuinely speaking, right? So I must see a shift. I told you guys, like I saw the first shift got stopped out of break-even, which is fair. But now I just need to see the shift in order for me to move forward. That's just me though, you know. Please do your own due diligence. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money-making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.